Hang on, let me get with you. I'll show you how it's
Let
done.
me do one the right way. I guarantee I know how to do it.
Fuck, I
Where's the
don't
cold?
know
We got Bud Lights.
Hold on, Fred. You got competition now.
Fred's boring a hole out like ain't nobody's business.
You gotta do it fast.
Hold on, man. Let me get my
Yeah, it's a competition. See who's faster. Just don't cut your lips.
I'm 40 years old. Shotgunning a beer. How you guys do?
With a bunch of flat bellies.
For the sake of the shot,
What is a flat belly shot?
Flat belly is youngsters that haven't gotten a
beer belly yet.
beer belly.
Oh no, I got a pretty big. Very good.
You ready?
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
Carburetor boys over here, ready?